Hi, my name is Sebastian. I'm a bespoke tailor for menswear, and as a professional I do a lot of hand stitching, and maybe you tried this at home and you noticed that it can be very frustrating because you end up with a knot after every single stitch. And this is why the machine threads nowadays are made very flexible so that they run easily through your sewing machine on high speed, and that after this the finished seam is that flexible that it doesn't crack that easily. So this is great for the sewing machine, but not for us for hand stitching. So what can you do? There's a very easy and simple trick. Just take your thread the length you need before getting it into your needle and just pull it like this, and you notice that it loses all its springiness, all the flexibility it had before, and then it's very, very easy to work with it. So give it a try, and I'm pretty sure that this is something that makes sewing and tailoring life much more easier. I wish you all the best, and goodbye.